Alright guys, so in this tutorial we're going to talk about Proton Drive backup in 2026, the setup mistake that leaves your file unprotected. Think your files are automatically protected just because you installed Proton Drive? That's the mistake we're avoiding today in 2026. You still need to make sure the right folders are actually synced. So first up, you need to open Proton Drive website. And right over here, you need to download the desktop apps. Without desktop app, you wouldn't be able to set up your folders actually, but it's doable on the website as well. But I would uh, still tell you to do it on the desktop version. So how do you do it? Is just you need to be on the website, and right over here you need to go ahead and press on Get Mobile and Desktop App. Right over here you'll see some options for Windows 10, 11, and Mac OS. So whatever you're on, just simply choose that option and then download it. So I already have it. Once you download it and install it, the interface should look something like this. So right over here you gotta put in your email or username and then password. Once you do that, now what you need to do is during the setup, look for the option to add folders for syncing. So in the desktop version, you'll see the folder sync option. So right over here, let me try the sync option over here as well. Let's say if we got on our website. So right over here, if you got any folders, so let me create a folder real quick. And here we go. Now let me move our file to our folder. So you'll see the option of sync right over here on the folder, but on your desktop app. If you don't see it, you just need to be on the desktop actually. So select the folders you actually want to protect it, such as documents, pictures, or desktop. Don't skip this step, okay? If an important folder isn't selected for syncing, its files won't automatically appear in your Proton Drive storage. So check the sync. Once you've selected your folder, open Proton Drive and go to My Computer. Right over here, you'll see the My Computer option. And here, as you can see, it's only available for the desktop app to sync your computer, as I told you before. So, but I'll tell you how it happens. So once you've selected your folders, open basically Proton Drive on My Computer and make sure the folders you choose are listed there. So the folders you have chosen will be shown right over here and they're actually listed. You can also check the activity section to make sure your files have finished uploading, that there aren't any sync errors. So there's a big mistake that people make, and it's very important. Proton Drive doesn't automatically protect every file on your computer. If you save an important file somewhere outside your selected folders, it may not be synced. So always check where your important files are stored. Make sure that those folders are included in My Computer section. And that's it. I hope this video actually helped you out. I'll see you soon next one. Until then, goodbye and peace out.